Finland is officially short on thousands of workers for 2026, and they aren't just looking for tech geniuses. Right now, warehouse workers and professional cleaners are some of the most in-demand roles for foreigners because local labor can't keep up. In this video, I'm giving you the exact company names, the salary breakdown, and the specific CV format that gets you the work permit. Quick favor before we start, tap the like button. It tells YouTube this video is helpful and helps more people discover it. Before we look at how to apply, let's talk about the pay. Warehouse roles, expect €11 to €15 per hour. Cleaning roles, usually start between €10 to €14 per hour. In Finland, these aren't just gigs, they come with legal protections, paid holidays, and a path to residency. If you work 40 hours a week, you're looking at a gross monthly income of approximately €1,800 to €2,400. There are two main sectors hiring foreigners right now. 1. Logistics and warehousing. Look for titles like order picker, forklift operator, or logistics assistant. The biggest employer here is Posti, the National Postal Service, and Barona. They care about speed and reliability, not your degree. 2. Professional cleaning. This isn't just houses. It's hospitals, hotels, and offices. Look for ISS Finland, SOL, and LNT, Lasila and Tikanoja. These companies have dedicated pipelines for international staff and often provide the necessary training. Agencies hiring foreign workers. Here is the secret most people miss: many Finnish companies don't hire you directly at first. They use staffing agencies. If you want a job fast, apply to Barona, Staff Point, Bolt Works. These agencies act as the bridge. They find you the job, and often, they are the ones who help facilitate the paperwork for your work permit. How to create a winning CV. Stop sending 5-page resumes. Finnish recruiters spend about 6 seconds on your cove. Keep it to 1 page. Highlight reliability, mention shift work experience or physical stamina. Language, clearly state your English level. You do not need to speak Finnish for most warehouse roles, but you must be able to follow safety instructions in English. Photo. In Finland, a professional, friendly headshot on a CV is common and often encouraged. The permit process. Don't get scammed by visa agents. In Finland, the process is simple. Find the job, use jobly.fi or workinfinland.fi. Get the offer. The employer sends you a contract. Apply online. You use the Enter Finland.fi portal to apply for your residence permit based on work. The employer must prove they couldn't find a local worker, which is easy for them to do in the current labor shortage. Common rejection traps. Why do people fail? Generic applications, sending the same, to whom it may concern, email to 50 companies. Vague titles, searching for unskilled jobs. In Finland, search for Varastotyöntekijä, warehouse. Or sivuja, cleaner. No follow-up. If you don't hear back in 2 weeks, send a polite follow-up email. I have placed the direct links to Barona, SOL, and the official Work in Finland portal in the description below. Don't just watch this, apply to at least 3 positions today. If you have questions about the Enter Finland portal, drop a comment and I'll answer as many as I can. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update on countries currently offering visa sponsorship jobs. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.